Can you recover a banned account on Discord? Well, the answer depends. If your account has been banned for violating some of the rules of the application, that means you might not be able to recover your account if it is banned once. However, if you have been banned by mistake, you want to simply make an appeal to unban your account on Discord. And to do so, you want to simply open the Chrome browser on your device. After that, you want to simply go to the Discord's help center over here. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply zoom in a little bit, and here you'd be able to see an option called submit a request. You want to simply tap on submit a request. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply tell all the details about your account, and you want to specify your problem over there and ask for solutions as well. And at last, you want to simply make an appeal to unban your account on Discord. And if your appeal is valid, the official Discord team will reach out to you within 2 to 3 business days, and you might even be able to recover your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.